Hi everyone, we are Create-A-Test, the leading tool for building maths assessments and tracking your students' performance. In this video, I'm going to show just how easy it is to create a whole year group multi-difficulty level assessment. Now, this could be used to stream students at the start of year 9, for example, and a great benefit of building an assessment like this with our software is that you haven't had to touch textbooks or exam board past papers, so you can keep these available for future use. Create-A-Test is a great tool for building these pan-year group tests, and here I'll really emphasise the quick test tool to show why. We've designed these videos to show you how quick it is to do this, so if there's anything that catches your eye that I don't cover here, please explore some of our other videos and our website. So, let's dive in. Firstly, I'll log in. And as I've mentioned, create a paper, quick test. I'm going to determine the length of this test by the time it takes. For example, I'll make this a 60-minute test. I'm going to keep all the areas of the syllabus. And as I mentioned, this is a year 9 test, so I may remove the more difficult questions. I will then create the draft of the paper. So these are the selected questions that it has generated for us. I can scroll down, see that each one of these is a new question. A few things to point out here. Firstly, for each question, we can see the difficulty level. For each question, we can change the ordering. We can move them up or down or manually drag to a position. And also, we can play with the questions it's given us. We can remove some, and through our question bank, and building our own question capability, which I've shown elsewhere, we can add our own questions in. Finally, you can see that it gives us the suggested grade boundary and also a breakdown of the marks. What proportion of marks come from which difficulty level question? When we're happy with our paper, we move to paper details. Here I'll name this, for example, streaming. This is the title that will appear on the test for the students, and a description which is for our own reference. So here I may write that it's an all-topic test, 1 hour, and of a certain difficulty level. Then I can move to use the paper. Before we go to the final draft, there's one other thing I wanted to show you. You can do a lot of customizing of the front page of your paper, changing the text that appears and the look and feel of some of the components. One thing in particular I want to do is include a formula sheet. I do this by clicking here, selecting the type that I may want, applying the changes, and by doing that, it then brings us to the next stage, which is viewing our maths paper. You can see that it's very professionally laid out with a clear cover page, has the formula sheet that we asked it to include, and finally is populated with the questions that we saw earlier. You can also download this paper in PDF format, which some people find easier. And here it is. We can also click to view the answer sheet and also a working out sheet as well. So that's it from me. We've seen that it just takes, by my watch, just under 3.5 minutes to build a pan-year group test. This really helps to show why the quick test tool in Create-A-Test is just one of the pieces to make this a leading piece of software in the maths space. Please do explore some of our other videos we have available, which really bring many of our other features to life. And if you'd like to find out more, explore our website, createatest.co.uk, where amongst other things, you can request a free one-on-one demo session and sign up for full access.